High above Rainbow Town lived a tiny cloud named Puffy. Puffy had a big problem. He couldn't stop sneezing. Puffy took a very deep breath. Achoo! Whoosh! His big sneeze blew a colorful kite into a tree. Puffy looked down at the kite and said, "Oops," when the very next day arrived. Achoo! Oh goodness, Puffy sneezed once again. Whoosh! His sneeze sent a baker's hat flying across town. The jolly baker reached up for his flying hat and cried, "Oh no, my hat!" Poor Puffy felt very, very sad. Just then, a beautiful wise butterfly fluttered by. The wise butterfly said, "Maybe something is tickling your nose." Puffy looked very carefully inside his fluff. Deep inside his fluffy cloud body, Puffy found something glowing. It was a tiny, shimmering rainbow feather. Puffy gently pulled the rainbow feather out from his fluffy body. With a tiny pop, the rainbow feather finally came free. Puffy waited and waited, but no sneeze came. Puffy smiled a very big smile. No more sneezing. Everyone in Rainbow Town cheered and waved at Puffy. But then, the rainbow feather drifted towards the butterfly. The butterfly wiggled her nose and achoo! Whoosh, the feather flew all the way up to the moon. And that's how the moon got its very first rainbow feather.